Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. If you're looking for something to keep all of your cables and accessories organized, then this little organizer is absolutely perfect. I really appreciate the design of this. I love how it's nice and small, but it can fit so much. It has so many compartments that are great for many different kinds of cables. They can fit SD cards, external hard drives. Your phone can fit in here, power banks, all kinds of things. I personally kept my mouse and all of my cables, my adapters, all nice and secure in here. I love how it has two different compartments so you can keep things organized by type that you are looking for. And I really appreciated how it is waterproof as well. So if you are putting this somewhere, you don't have to worry if your bag gets wet that your cables or any of your electronics are going to be damaged because they're nice and safe within here. So I really enjoyed this cable organizer. I think it is such a great value. It's perfect for traveling. It's perfect for holding all of my accessories. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.